Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 4 of the knife tool, but now it doesn't have anything to do. And if you didn't watch parts 3, or at least 1, 2, and 3, I'm going to use the attribute eyedropper, which is a really cool tool. So I'm going to get my smart fill tool. I'm going to fill that in with red. And then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. I'm going to swipe across. You know, on this one, I just did that. Let me do elliptical. And let me put yellow in the center. And then grow that outwardly. And let's see what it looks like. Now, instead of filling these all in and doing the interactive fill tool on all of them, you can get the attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that, and just go around the other squares and fill them in a lot just as fast as you could smart fill them. I don't know. I like this one better. And well, let's just do it. Let me just back up here real quick. You can go right here and go down to, well, it's hard to tell what the attribute eyedropper is putting in there. So let's go back. I don't know. I've never gone back. Yeah, there we go. Now we're back. Let's strengthen it up a little bit. Then get your attribute eyedropper, take a sample, and just start filling in. Pretty easy, pretty fast, and accurate. It's going to give you a perfect rendition of the whole thing. And when you put a black box around it, it's like, whoa. So these are identical except for I went the other way with the interactive fill tool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.